Hi everyone, welcome to a new unboxing video. We've got this massive box today. I'm going to find out what's in it. I'm on my own today. Debbie's here behind camera. She's got COVID, she's not very well, so I'm doing it myself. So, let's see what we got. Inside there's another big box. And another box. Right. Close the covers
up. Motion detected at the front door.
Right, so we'll open this one first. I'll open it at the bottom. This is man helmets. They've been out a while, but it was a good price, so I thought I'd get it. So let's have a look. How do I get in it? Found my way in it now. Ooh. Yeah, it's quite big. No? Out the packs. There we go. How cool is that?
Can you actually wear it? Yeah.
Yeah, can actually wear it. Put it on.
What's your glasses?
I don't think. Oh, it's your glasses. I'm trying to get my glasses on.
Oh, how cool. Oh.
Actually wear it with my glasses on, I don't know. Doesn't I don't think so. That's the helmet. Instructions. I've got 2 pieces here. It's well packed.
What's that?
Funny box. How the hell? Right, so after a bit of working out, these go in here, this side. That. Quite easy to put in. Like that. take this off the front. That's how your batteries go. Radio edit. I'll use these out of my Thanos glove. Yeah, like that. Oops. Put it back in. It's sturdy, you know. That back in there. Like that. Now batteries are in. There's the butter. Press it once. That's red. There's lights there. Put it aside. Press it again. Use this to blue. Again. That's it. Oh, nice. It's better red or blue. You can't find them. Oh.
Always blue. Never red. You need to do it at night time. It's not picking it up about as good. Might be. It's cool. I love it. Where the heck are we going to put them? That's the only thing.
Right, so this is the second one. Up with that. War machine helmet. Very well packaged. It's similar to the other one.
Whose one's that?
It's War Machines.
Who's?
It's basically an Iron Man.
Oh, the first one.
Yeah. No, it's like his own.
Yeah, the one that he made. That was in the cave.
It's an Iron Man. What War Machines?
Yeah.
Whatever he's called. What's he called?
I know what you mean.
He's a hardy mate.
Does that light up as well?
I think so. Yeah, batteries go in there. Right, so put red strap in there. Better. And then you've got to put walk around in it.
Which one are you going to make it not so scary?
You've got a button in here. Might not be able to see it because The eyes light up then. Just dimmer and off.
To do it tonight.
Yeah. Show you later with the lights. And then the front.
Oh.
Comes off. Like that, and then I think you can put that on the top. So annoying wearing glasses.
Hmm.
Look after your eyes because it's a pain in the arse. And you've got like magnets, goes on magnets there. Like that. And the back's gone out again. Put it down.
It's well cool.
Slide's pretty well, and
Yeah.
yeah, at least you don't have to mess about with that.
It's like a motorbike helmet.
He says that. Yeah,
Cool.
pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was this was $59.99. Usually about 100. And this one was. See, look, oh wait. This was $52.99. That's, I think you can get it for about 90 quid. Basically, I got them both. It's like two. It was 114 for two, so like 2 for 1. Not far off 2 for 1. Right, so that's the 2 helmets I got. So if you like the video, leave a like, comment or subscribe, and I'll see you next time.